guys, this is Luxurious Lux coming at you with the new DIY project. In today's project, I'm going to show you how I created my own glam coasters, so stay tuned. Okay, and the supplies you're going to need are Floral Foam, which I got at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need E6000 glue or a hot glue gun, whichever you prefer. You're going to need scissors, of course, to cut for the desired length. You're going to need 2 mirrors, which I also got at the Dollar Tree. Lastly, you're going to want to use Adhesive Diamond wrap, which I got from the Dollar Tree, but once again, you guys can use whichever you prefer. It's your preference, but I just wanted to show you guys a couple of choices that I decided to go with. Because you have to admit, there's no such thing as too much bling. And this is the final result. I absolutely love the outcome of it. If you like it as well, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye.